Okay, Mum. This is my project. The solar system. Dun dun dun. While I'm doing this, you've got to look at me, unfortunately. I know. But I can't send this video to you, so I've got to read it to you. And I can show you the picture at the end, which is pretty cool. So I am doing my project about the solar system. This project will be about the planets and stars. Also, are there life on Mars? Oh. And I can show a trick how to learn the names of the planets. But the main reason I'm doing this project because I like knowing all about the stars and planets, and I want to know if there's life somewhere out there. Ooh. Okay. So and knowing why Pluto is not a planet, and why is Mars called the red planet. Also, I want to know how is all the planets close together, and why do they all orbit around the sun, and why does the moon orbit around us? And I've got a lovely picture that and this is my picture. The sun. Okay, so if you get this message video, what I call video, can you just text me back or something saying it's okay, because honestly this needs to be in tomorrow and I haven't printed it off yet. Okay, love you, bye.